Guys, we got the new Traeger 34. We're gonna be building it up at the farm when we get there this weekend, and we're gonna get grilling. We got that signature blend, you know, blend of the best. And then one I've been wanting to try, Applewood.
Applewood.
Good. I'm excited. We're gonna do some competitions. Me versus Nick. It'll be fun. Traeger being built, almost done. Then it'll be dinner time. Making some chicken quesadillas. I'm excited. We got Kevin here helping. What's up, Bubbles? Alright guys, we just finished up making the Traeger, so now we got it on smoke mode because we gotta season it up. Need more light out here, can't really see shit, but there we go guys. Done.
How's it looking over there?
The tortilla looks burnt as fuck.
Oh, it's burnt, huh?
You wanna check out the tortilla? Come check it out. This is Matt's tortilla because I like them crispy and juicy. I don't know how we'll get it out, but the chickens are looking pretty good. They've been smoking for about 45 minutes now.
Alright guys, we gotta be a little bit quiet because everybody in the house is sleeping, but this is the final product. It is delicious. Check out these guys, they're enjoying their food too.
Nick's not recording.
Major. Check that out. Kevin ain't messing around today.
Alright guys, it's the next day now. I'm about to fire up the Traeger and make some filet mignon. My dad's heading up with the ATVs and dirt bikes, so he's going to be coming up later, but I think Nick's making the fire pit, so let's go check it out.
So they're looking for rocks for us to put around the fire pit. How do you zoom in? Can you zoom in?
Alright, we just collected all the rocks out of the river. I think we got enough for the fireplace. We're gonna bring them back, see if it's enough. Let's do it.
The sledge then.
Yeah, we got the sledge.
I got mattresses. I can pull.
We'll hang out with them.
All right, made some good progress. Almost done. Starting to finally come together.
Alright guys, we got the Traeger fired up. We just threw some filet mignons on. Probe going. Looking good.
Let's check it out. Oh, that little guy's cool.
That's the meat.
Nice. You catch any fish today?
Yeah, we caught two.
I'm afraid of the cherry gum. I'm gonna catch it.
That's hard to do.
It is, especially with this.
You get the perfect balance going on. Nice.
Oh, whoa. This is fun. Wait, I want a video. Hang on. Hang on.
Oh my god.
Wait, pause.
Ready?
Whoa.
Yeah, perfect. Watch it. Yeah, I guess straight. There goes. Straight on back. There you go. Nice, brother. Nice.
Hope not.
He's gonna get the squirrel.